Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Julia. So today's video is super exciting to me because it is my first giveaway ever. I've been wanting to do a giveaway for a really long time now, like a few months. But I just didn't know what to give away, nor did I know when to do it. I thought I would do a little Christmas giveaway now to show my appreciation to all of y'all, even the ones who don't subscribe. I was checking my analytics again and 80% of y'all aren't subscribed.
What's up?
I'm sure you see from the title what I'm giving away, so let's just get right into it. Drum roll. The Revlon One Step Hair Dryer in Volumizer. I feel like this has been around for at least a year, but for whatever reason it blew up like a couple months ago. I love it and it works really good for my hair. I have no idea how to blow dry my hair with a round brush and a dryer. Like, my hands don't know what to do. So with it being all in one, it makes it so easy. There are different settings on here, so I usually use low because my hair is already dead and I don't want to dye it anymore. Or I don't want to fry it anymore. I'm gonna dye it again. This makes it so much easier. It takes like 10 minutes to dry my hair, and also this hair is from yesterday. I didn't even straighten it. All I did was brush it when I woke up. So pretty cool. So before I tell you guys how to enter in the giveaway, I'm gonna roll the footage from last night where I was drying my hair, just so you guys can kind of see how easy it is and what I did to accomplish this look. I'm gonna brush my hair. You really should start from the bottom and go up. Get your scrunchie or clip, and I'm just gonna section it into like maybe 2 sections. I also picked this up today. I have not used it, but it is L'Oreal's Sleek It Iron Straight Heat Spray. So it's a heat protectant, and I've been needing a heat protectant for a while, so I don't know how this is gonna work. It was only like $4 at Target, but I'm gonna spray it through my hair. Maybe. Okay, I also don't know how much to use because sometimes, I don't know if you've used a heat protectant and it leaves your hair greasy. Yeah, I don't want that. Okay, so I usually put it on low or high. Right here, there is a off, a cool, a low, and a high. So I'm gonna put it on low just to protect my hair even more. And what you're gonna do, I mean, it's easier to watch me than for me to explain because I'm terrible at explaining things. But what I've been doing is just taking a chunk like this, putting the brush in like this, and there's a place to hold it at the end. So then you just kind of bring it down while spinning the brush inwards, if that makes sense. Don't wear jewelry while doing this. That was so hot. Look at me trying to look all cute over here, getting burnt. Next section. And I usually do a middle part. So let's do that. Okay, you guys, so how to enter. 1, you have to be subscribed to my channel, so go ahead and subscribe down below. I'll give you a second. And hit that bell so you can be notified whenever I post, because you're gonna want to come back. Follow my Instagram, which is right here, and it's also a link in the description box, so if you just click it, it's super easy. Brings you right to my page. Hit the follow. And the third thing that you have to do is comment down below. Make sure you include your Instagram handle or your email so I can contact you if you are the winner, or else I'm not gonna be able to contact you. And each comment will be an extra entry, so you guys can comment once or you can comment 5 times. So if you want to enter a few more times to have a better chance in winning, go for it. I will be announcing the winner in a few days. Today's the 23rd. I wanted to do this for like before Christmas so you guys could have it as a Christmas gift. It's not gonna happen. I will be choosing a winner on January 1st. Okay, so New Year's Day. And then I will ship it off to you once you let me know your address. Make sure you enter, even if you already have one, this would be a great gift for somebody else. If you're a guy, you can get this for your mom, your girlfriend, your cousin. So whoever you are, enter, you might as well. What do you have to lose? Nothing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on my Instagram, and comment down below your Instagram handle or your email so I can let you know that you won on January 1st. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, I love you guys, and okay, bye-bye now.